So I'm going to take a little isopropyl alcohol and clean this a little. And I'm going to take my file. Try and knock down those burrs. The burrs themselves will tear up your seals and your bushings. The gouges will actually let oil and air escape. So hopefully by filling those, we'll make a nice seal again. So what I've done here is I've mixed up some black nail polish and some super glue, and I'm going to try and fill in a bit of these scratches. What we'll see, hopefully, is that things Alright, so our third step here is to take a razor blade and to scrape down the high spots. So going in this direction, we're going to keep with the stanchion. This direction would be bad. So with light pressure, we're going to scrape down those high spots. So now that we've scraped down most of the high spots with the razor, the final step I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to use some superfine sandpaper. I've got some 25,000 grit. I'm going to wet sand this area down just to make it real smooth. So cut my sandpaper into a nice little strip and just lightly wet sand. Basically you're just using water. That should smooth everything out. little bit more work and I think I'll be done, but pretty happy so far with the way this is turning out. I'll do a couple little touch-ups, go through the process again. I think we're going to be good to go. Thanks for watching, you guys.